let your store do the marketing for you. In this present age, you don't allow your store to be dumb or dormant. Let your store do the marketing for you. Let your store do the conversion for you. Let your store speak to your customers. Let your store guide them to make a purchase. This is a new world. If your website is not doing the conversion for you, then you are missing out. You are seriously missing out. Okay? So there's a plugin that actually do this for you. You don't need anything, just set it up once, just normal installation, and you are good to go. But before that, let me show you one good thing about this particular plugin I just found out. Now if you look at the top, you see scrolling ticker. That is a price ticker that if you click on it, it will take you to product less than $200. If you look at the sticker, there's no product that worth more than $200 from that sticker, from that ticker. Okay, now let me show you another thing that this plugin actually does that makes it impossible for you not to convert. Let's see that thing. Now if you scroll down, watch what happens. There is a pop-up. This text you can actually edit it, but I just left it like this. Now there is a pop-up. What did it say? It says spend $100 and above to win Omega watch. Spend $300 and above to win Katia watch. Spend $500 and above to win Apple AirPod Pro 3. Okay, now let's say you sell something like what will I say? Let's say you sell something like phone, mobile phone. You can actually use this to make people buy mobile phone from you. Let's say your profit from that mobile phone is 10,000 naira. Okay, for $100 mobile phone, your profit is 10,000 naira. What if you decide to say, okay, this 10,000 naira profit, I'm going to do giveaway of 2,000 naira. Now that 10,000 naira profit probably may sell like 2 or 3 in a day. That is 30,000 naira profit. Now what if you decide to do giveaway of 2,000 naira? How do I mean by giveaway? What I mean by giveaway is you now say, okay, spend $100 and win free charger of 2,000 naira. You are not going to tell them the charger is 2,000, but tell them you win charger, free charger, or extra charger. Or tell them spend $300 to win. Maybe you look for power bank that is around 10 to 12,000 naira, and your profit from that $300 is roughly up to $30. So you now buy a power bank of, let's say, $10. That means you are making profit of $20. Now, do you think that more people are going to buy because of that $10 power bank? The answer is yes. If you make 5 sales without that incentives, you are going to make up to 20 or 30 sales without incentives. Who is winning? You make more sales. Okay, now let me show you how it works. If you come here, let's say shop now. We'll click on shop now. Now it brought us to this place. So I'm going to add product that worth $100 now. Let's add this product. So So let's add it to cart now. Add to cart. You can see I've won myself Omega watch, but in your case that should be extra charger. I don't know if you are getting the logic. That should be extra charger, depend on what you actually add in there. Okay, it could be if you buy 10 cartons of Indomie, you win one free. So if I had intention of buying 5 cartons of Indomie from your shop or from your store, and I saw that if I can buy 10, that I'm going to get one packet for free, guy, I go buy 10. That is just the gospel truth. That is how our mindset works. Free things, incentives, reconfigure, it rewires our mindset. Now you can see I've won this thing, and the pop-up is now telling me that I can actually win more if I spend more. That is to say, now I've purchased the 10 cartons of Indomie, for instance, and I've gotten 1 carton of Indomie for absolutely free. Now the pop-up is telling me that if I can spend $300 worth of goods again, that they are not going to give me 1 carton of Indomie again. Then they are going to make it 3 cartons of Indomie. That is to say, if I can spend more $200 to this $100 I've spent, that is $300. Then I'm no longer going to get 1 carton, but I'm going to get 3 cartons. The same thing applies to the last reward, which is $500. You may decide to say, okay, if you spend $500 on my website, I'm not going to give you 3 cartons of Indomie again. I'm going to give you, you may say, okay, I'm even going to give you 7 cartons of Indomie. All you need to do is to calculate the price, the profit margin, and see how much profit you are going to make when you have more people buy those things because of that incentives. That is how beautiful and enticing it is. Nobody will see this and leave it. So what is your thought at the comment section? Let me hear your thought at the comment section. I'll come back and continue later, okay? But for now, let me hear your thoughts at the comment section.